Welcome to qnawire.
All right, here we have Jason going from Detroit and through Ann Arbor. Takes him 40 miles to get from Detroit to Ann Arbor, and it takes him, as you can see, from 2 o'clock to 2:50, so 50 minutes. So before we answer the questions in this problem, let's go ahead and find the speed that Jason's traveling. We were told it's a constant speed, and speed is going to be distance traveled divided by the time it took to travel. So distance over time. So the distance traveled by Jason is 40 miles. And the time is 50 minutes. So if we divide top and bottom by 10, that gives us 4/5 miles per minute. So that is going to be the speed. If we want to convert Jason's speed to miles per hour, we can do that real quick. So the speed right now is in miles per minute, so we'll need a conversion factor. And that's basically the fact that there are 60 minutes in every 1 hour. So that's our conversion factor. Notice the minutes cancel. And if we multiply 4/5 times 60, well, 60 divided by 5 is 12. So I end up with 12 times 4, or 48. So 4/5 of 60 is 48, and that's in miles per hour. Okay, so that's the speed of Jason's car. All right, let's go ahead now and take a look at finding our position as a function of time. We know position is rate times time, and our rate is 4/5 if we do it miles per minute times time. So long as t is in minutes, we can use this equation. So if t is basically in minutes. If we want to go ahead and use the speed of 48 miles per hour, then we can write our position with time as 48t, because the rate is 48, and then times t, because distance is rate times time. But that only can be used if t is in hours. So which one you use depends on which version of time you want to use. Okay, so next step is to graph x of t. I'm going to do this on the right. Let me go ahead and get some grid marks here. And we're going to go ahead and graph position versus time. So we're going to do x of t. I'm going to go ahead and use the one with minutes, where t is in minutes, and x of t is in miles. Okay, well, we know we start in Detroit, which is our 0 mile marker. We know 50 minutes later, so I'll put a mark here for 50 minutes. We've arrived going through Ann Arbor, which is the 40-mile mark. Let me go ahead and draw a line to connect these to indicate that our graph of Jason's car with time. So there we have it. And the meaning then is, well, let's take a look at the slope. Let's find it, and then let's talk about the meaning. Okay, so the slope is equal to rise over run. Remember, slope is rise over run. So the rise is 40 miles, and the units here, so we've got to use our units. And our run is 50 minutes. So this reduces down to 4/5 like before. And so our slope is 4/5 miles per minute. And the meaning of that is, as we've already seen, that's the speed. That's the speed of Jason's car. So very nice, good problem. Hopefully it helped. Have an amazing day.